Day to have your lunch outside, actually. For many of us, it's dry this afternoon with some good bright or sunny spells. We do, however, have a rather stormy situation waiting in the wings. Just behind me, you can see this dark cloud that's going to be moving its way in later on this weekend. We'll come back to that. Ahead of it, not too bad. Yes, there's more cloud across northern parts of the UK, and we may still see a few spits and spots of light rain, say for western Scotland. But head further south and east and the sun is out, and the temperature's not too bad considering it was a very cold start this morning. We're looking at highs of around, say, 12 to 15 degrees. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, we'll see a band of slightly heavier rain creeping into the northwest of Scotland, edging south across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland overnight. Further south, more cloud around across England and Wales, so not quite as cold as last night. So 7 to 9 Celsius, the overnight lows. Now, as well as that rain creeping into the north of the country tonight, we have also got the winds strengthening, and that really will be the story through the weekend. It's certainly getting windy. So let's start where it's going to be windiest on Saturday morning, and that's the north of Scotland. You can see the main rain band will have started to sink further south through Dumfries and Galloway, the borders in towards Cumbria. Behind it, though, still a scattering of showers for Scotland. Ahead of it, actually not too bad. Saturday does look like being the better day of the weekend. For much of the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast, right along the south coast, still looking at fairly light winds and some good dry, bright or again sunny spells. So a very nice start to the day in the south of the country for much of England and Wales. Head north though, and there is going to be more cloud around already. You can see that through northern parts of Wales, northwest England, Northern Ireland, a glimmer of brightness coming through there. So yes, there could be some cloud around, but I'm optimistic that we'll still see a few brighter spells around. In fact, you can see that across parts of eastern Scotland into the afternoon, some brightness coming through. And there's not much rain around, really. The rain is fairly light and patchy for northern England by the afternoon. Top temperatures, we're looking at 12 to 16, which I have to say is round about average. Now, things are not looking quite so good for Sunday. This low pressure is going to be moving into the UK, and what you'll notice, the white lines, the eyes of ours, they're pretty closely packed. And of course, that does mean windy weather. So the Met Office, in fact, has got a weather watch out now for a risk of severe gales. Now, that's going to be an issue for northern and northwest Scotland. We could see gusts of around 60 to 70 miles per hour. And of course, not just windy, wet. So wet and windy for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Further